Hi, fourth grade. This is day number 1 of our second project this year. We have been talking about lines. If you remember, we did our shoe with contour line, which is a drawing that is not colored in. All right, it's just a pencil drawing, not shaded in, not colored in. And then we went and we learned some review lines in our slides. If you recall, we have our zigzag line, wavy line, dotted, dashed, curved, spiral, and thick. All right, we're going to use all these lines we learned about, these and our contour line, to create our drawing today. So we're going to start off, you're going to draw what I draw, and then after we get through with this, you are actually going to go through and add your own personal details. So bear with me. I am going to try to draw upside down. We'll see how this works. We're going to draw 3 trees. And the 3 trees are going to be in our foreground, middle ground, and background, and they're just going to be contour line drawing trees. I'm drawing with a black marker so you can see, but you're going to draw with a pencil. That way, if you make a mistake, you can erase it. Okay, so I have one line, another line, and a V. All right, we're going to close off the bottom so it looks like the tree has roots, and then we're going to come up here, diagonal, diagonal, close it off with a V. Diagonal, diagonal, close it off with a V. This is going to be our foreground tree, which means that it's going to be at the bottom of our page and it's going to be drawn the largest. Okay, we're going to make a line. You choose how you want to make it. Wavy. It's going to be the line that the ground or the tree sits on. So it could be zigzag for the grass or wavy just for like a sandy area. Okay, we're going to move up and we're going to do a middle ground tree. Our middle ground tree is going to be medium size and it's going to be sort of far away, which means at the middle of our page. All right, so I did the same thing before. I made one line, another line, and then I made my tree roots. Diagonal, diagonal, and a V. All right, coming out, diagonal, diagonal, V, diagonal, diagonal, V, and then I'm going to go through and make these curved lines. All right, that's our middle ground tree. That tree looks like it's floating, so once again, we're going to make a line. We're going to go from one side of the paper to the other. Let's make our background tree, which is towards the top of our page, and it is the smallest because it's far away. Did our roots. This is just all review, so I'm going to look faster. Diagonal, diagonal, V. Come out, diagonal, diagonal, V. Close it off, diagonal, diagonal, V, close it off, and then connect it with a puff. All right, that tree looks like it's floating, so we're going to once again make another line so it looks like it's on the ground. You're going to do this for day number 1, and then you will stop. Next week, you'll do day number 2. Keep up the great work, friends. Bye.